What if you conquer all of your goals and the biggest change you had to make in your life was simply your own mindset? Believe it or not, it is totally possible. Helen Hassel was known as a contest queen as she won so many contests using manifestation method called SPEC. She won countless tournaments and was able to manifest anything she desired in her life. She won the majority of the competitions she entered. Not only were there thousands of victories, but there were also trips to Europe, vehicles, and even taxes home. You can convince yourself of achieving something, repeating it over and over again until you beat your thinking. She used a technique called SPEC: selected, projected, expected, and collected. Number 1. Selected. Select a goal to get started. Someone asked if this technique could be used for other purpose, other than just entering contests for merchandise. The answer is yes. This can be used to obtain anything you desire in the physical, mental, or spiritual realms. You name it and you claim it. Number 2. Projected. See it as already having it. For example, if you are manifesting a car, then visualize that you are sitting in that car and you are feeling happy. You have to feel it. You're smelling the perfume inside your car. The seats are so comfortable. The design is so fabulous. Visualize how you're feeling by driving that car. Imagine that feelings. The more details you imagine of your manifestation with positive emotions, the more quickly it will manifest, the more early the universe will give you. Number 3. Expected. You have to remove all the doubt from your mind while manifesting. Seeing yourself as already having or enjoying the end results. The following is a simple visualization technique while waiting for something to come to fruition. It's a yoga breathing exercise that anyone can use. While sitting in a chair or yoga position, inhale slowly for 4 to 7 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 to 7 seconds. Now, exhale slowly for 4 to 7 seconds. Finally, do not breathe for 4 to 7 seconds. Then breathe again. Repeat this for 5 minutes. While doing this rhythmic breathing, see yourself having what you want. A certain phenomenon occurs as you do this special breathing exercise. As you slowly inhale about a fourth time, you will become aware of very relaxed feeling in your arms and legs. You will feel so comfortable that you will not even want to move. This is because the physical tension has been reduced within the muscles and nerves of your body. At the same time, a second phenomenon occurs. Your anxieties, your mental tensions are also relieved. This leaves your thoughts and mind open for you to program your goals. In this relaxed state, mentally picture your desired end results. Helen says, sometimes I have collected a prize or end result in a matter of hours, but a majority of time that is delayed actions. That's when the majority of people get impatient and can actually nullify their goal with negative energy. Being positive in all areas is a way of life for me now. Number 4. Collected. Love everything unconditionally. the clouds, winds, stones, trees, animals, insects, and every people you meet. You must love and respect everything. This is not physical love, but rather universal feeling, a common bond and harmony with all. It's important to be focused on the end results and not the means to reach it. Helen Hatzel never thought how a contest jury must decide to give her the prize, or how the competition was, or about the sources that the thing must come from. She just kept believing and sending out positive energy. So, what are you waiting for? Start using this technique. Do comment if you're already using this technique.